Nifnic Success Academy.
Well, I have to say 2015 has been an amazing year for me. Barbara, I was honoured to receive a Momentum award this year in Most Inspiring Woman, and then obviously in Nifnics as well. I've grown my business and I now have 5 employees, which is really exciting. So my tip for 2016 is find your tribe, and you can't buy the number plate because I already own it. I have 4 kids, and we're known as the Tamati tribe in the family, so yeah, sorry, it's already gone, and I'm not selling it. Find your tribe, and in 2016 collaborate with like-minded and beautiful people, and if there's one thing that I've learned this year, it has been that there are so many incredible individuals that have complementary services to my business, and yeah, and you know, they love me as much as I love them, and it's just brilliant. So thank you, and good luck for 2016.